how to leave a review on WhatNot. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on WhatNot. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to leave a review on WhatNot, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Go to the WhatNot.com, which is the official website, and then sign into your WhatNot account. Now, in order to be able to leave a review, you must have already purchased that product, because if you're not a verified buyer, WhatNot will not let you review that product as long as you have not bought the product yourself. Now, all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the profile icon, you can get buyers, sellers, and general, right? You want to open the drop down menu next to buyers, and then you'll find the option called orders. So just click on the orders tab, and now once you go to the orders tab, over here you'll find all of the orders, but you want to only look for the orders that has already been completed. So just turn on the toggle next to completed orders, and then over here you'll be able to see all of the orders that you've made and that has already been shipped and delivered to you. And if there are any type of products that you haven't left a review for, you will most likely find the review button right next to that order. And that is it for this video on how you can leave a review on WhatNot. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.